In today's Chef Hack series, I will discuss the art of braising and how it can help you get that perfect juicy meat that pulls apart. Pulled meat has become a real trend and there are no signs that this is going out of fashion. Through a slow and gentle cooking method, the marbling and collagen in the meat melt. This allows the deep flavour and aromas to develop, transforming the cut of beef into a deliciously juicy and tender pulled option. Also, the beauty with pulled meat is that it can be used across multiple dishes on the menu, including bowls, wraps, salads, burgers and sandwiches. After you've braised your whole chuck or bowl of blade, now turn it into some recipes. For the first one, a beef burger. Mix through some Knorr American Chipotle barbecue sauce with the pulled beef. Add some Hellmann's mayonnaise, lettuce, tomato, and you've got a great beef burger. For nachos, get some corn chips, mix some Knorr Mexican mild chunky salsa through the beef, add some cheese, avocado, and sour cream. And for a healthy option, you can make a bowl. Boil some quinoa, then add the pulled beef, tomatoes, vegetables, and make a dressing with Hellmann's mayonnaise. The low and slow cooking technique of meat doesn't just have to be for a stew or braise. Even though braising may not be the quickest method of cooking, you won't get a juicier, more flavourful or tender meat.